In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated GIFs in Canva. Creating your very own animated GIFs can be an incredibly fun and simple way to enhance your social media posts, add personality to your digital content, or make your designs more engaging and interactive. Whether you're creating for Instagram, Facebook, or even professional presentations, animated GIFs can add that extra spark that catches a viewer's attention. Let's dive in and take the step-by-step journey together so that by the end of this guide, you'll be fully equipped to make your own eye-catching animations. First, head over to Canva's website and log into your account. Once you're there, locate the Create option at the top of the Canva homepage. This is your starting point where all the design magic begins. Clicking on Create opens up a world of design possibilities and allows you to choose from hundreds of templates and presets tailored to various creative needs. After clicking on Create, notice the search bar that appears. Here, you'll type the word animated. This search will filter the options to specifically include animated designs, making it easier for you to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through unrelated templates. Next, among the options that appear, find and click on Animated Social Media. This preset is designed with templates specifically made for engaging animations that are ideal for social platforms. It provides a professional starting point with layouts and ideas that save time while giving your designs a polished look. Once you've chosen your preferred template, it's time to start personalizing your design. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see several tools at your disposal. Click on Elements, where you'll find a variety of graphic components such as frames, shapes, illustrations, and more to enhance your layout. Within Elements, focus on the sub-option called Stickers. Stickers are inherently animated, making them perfect for embellishing your design with movement. Browse through the options, and once you find a sticker that fits your creative vision, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can adjust its position, size, and orientation as needed to ensure it fits your layout perfectly. Now, let's talk about duration. You can easily control how long each animated page lasts by adjusting the timeline. To do this, click and drag the edges of each page left or right, which will increase or decrease the duration that a particular page remains visible, giving you complete control over your animation's rhythm and pacing. When you're satisfied with your design and animation, it's time to save your work. Navigate to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on Share. This step is crucial because it allows you to export your creation in various formats. After clicking on Share, select Download from the drop-down menu. To ensure your final product is a GIF, first select MP4 video in the download options and then change it to GIF. This simple step converts your animated design into a snappy GIF format that's ready for use online. And there you have it. You've just created a custom animated GIF right here in Canva. It's a simple yet effective way to bring your designs to life, make them more engaging, and share them with the world. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.